Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on the application of Gemini. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Gemini app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we will go to Play Store. I will search about Gemini app. And here you can install your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and